Hello, and welcome to our guide on your obligations and deadlines as a sole trader. If you're new to running a business, then you're probably wondering what's required of you and what the timescales are for those requirements. If that's the case, this guide's for you. We will cover your obligations, deadlines and penalties, how to avoid penalties. As a business owner, you have a number of obligations which you are legally required to fulfill. Every business has a financial year, which is usually the same as the tax year, the 6th of April to the 5th of April, although this can be changed. Based on each financial year, certain reporting is required. Annual accounts are financial reports based on your business's financial year. The accounts will show the performance of the business, including its income, profit, and the amount of assets and liabilities the business had at the financial year end. Although accounts are not a legal requirement for sole traders, most will have them produced as a basis to prepare for the self-assessment. A self-assessment is required for HMRC each year. The self-assessment uses the figures prepared in the accounts and lets HMRC know how much tax you owe them. Additional returns are also due to HMRC if the company is VAT registered or employs staff. There are a number of deadlines that businesses must abide by in order to avoid penalties. The self-assessment must be submitted before the 31st of January each year. A £100 penalty for late submission is charged, with this increasing to daily penalties of £10 per day for a maximum of 90 days for submissions more than 1 month late. After 3, 6 and 12 months late, 5% of the tax due is added at each stage as a penalty. If your business is VAT registered, then a VAT return must be produced each quarter, with a deadline of 1 month and 7 days after the quarter end. If you employ staff, then an RTI return should be submitted each time you make payments to your employees. So, as you can see, the penalties issued from HMRC can be considerable. So what can you do to avoid them? Putting a good bookkeeping system in place early on makes it much easier to file on time when the time comes. Not to mention a whole host of other benefits for your business. Hire an accountant early on. If you have an accountant in place by the time your year end comes, then there shouldn't be any delays when it comes to them doing their part. Well, that's it. You should now have a better understanding of your obligations as a business owner. Thanks for watching, and if there's anything you're unsure about, then click the link on screen and get in touch.